The topic of this video is finding the horizontal or oblique asymptote of a rational function. We're going to look at three problems. Alright, we have r of x, which is equal to numerator 3x divided by denominator 18x plus 13. T of x, which is equal to numerator 2x cubed divided by denominator x to the fourth minus 81. And g of x, with numerator x to the fourth minus 16 divided by denominator 4x squared minus 8x. Okay, the first step in identifying the horizontal or oblique asymptote of a rational function is to determine the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator and compare them. Let's do that for all three of our rational functions simultaneously. Okay, to determine the degree, first you need to identify the form that your polynomial is in. Every one of these is in standard form, which means the highest exponent of x tells me the degree of my polynomial. So, this is 3x to the first power, and therefore this is degree 1. This is 18x to the first power, and is therefore degree 1. This is 2x to the third power, and is therefore degree 3. This is x to the fourth power, and is therefore degree 4. This is degree 4. This is degree 2. Okay, now for each function we're going to compare the numerator and denominator degrees. So in this case they match. The degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. So we consult our list of cases and we find that this is case B. If the degree of the numerator and denominator polynomials is the same, then the horizontal asymptote is y equals b, where b is the ratio of the highest degree term coefficients. All right, let's document this. So we know we're going to get a horizontal asymptote. We know that its equation will be y equals b, and we know we're dealing with case B. Okay, so case B says that I need to divide. So using the terms that told us the degrees of our polynomials, I'm going to divide their coefficients. So in this case, 3 divided by 18. So B equals 3 divided by 18, which as a fraction reduces to 1 over 6. So b is 1/6, so we get y equals 1/6 as the equation of our horizontal asymptote. All right, turning our attention now to t of x, we notice that the numerator degree is 3, and that's less than the denominator degree, which is 4. So which case is this? This is case A. If the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, then the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0, also known as the x-axis. All right, so we can write that. We have a horizontal asymptote, and it is y equals 0, also known as the x-axis. All right, our third rational function, g of x. So in this case, the numerator is bigger, the numerator degree is bigger than the denominator degree. By how much? Well, 4 is bigger than 2 by 2. So we once again return to our 4 possible cases, and we find that this is case D. If the degree of the numerator polynomial is 2 or more degrees higher than the denominator polynomial, there is no horizontal or oblique asymptote. So we can state that for this problem, there is no horizontal or oblique asymptote. And with that, we have completed these 3 problems.